Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. So both the videos today are extremely fresh and vibrant. I am going to be showing you sarees which are absolutely fresh and new in stock. These sarees are perfect for weddings. So the first video that I am showing is of Kanjivarams. Beautiful Kanjivarams in a very good price range in terms of buying for weddings, gifting for weddings, wearing these sarees in your friend's wedding or in any of your relatives wedding. So these are perfect sarees for that. Very festive, very good quality silk and very traditional in their weaving style. So let's begin. This is the first one. Beautiful pink Kanjivaram. Remember, I'll be telling you all, rather describing the colors to you also. The colors might look a little different in the in your different phones on different screens, but pay attention to when I'm describing the shade. So this one is a beautiful fresh fuchsia pink color, a bright color Rani pink. It's not a Rani pink, it's a fresh fuchsia shade. So this is the saree. Just look at the grand pallu, a beautiful grand pallu design. I'm just going to come a little close and show you all the border first. This is the border. Okay, this is how the borders will look together. And I want to show you the butta. The butta is highlighted with a green thread. That is what is Meenakari, beautiful green silk thread, and you can see alternate highlights with green and yellow. So this butta is highlighted with yellow thread and this one is highlighted with green thread. Okay, so very intricate work. This is a handloom Kanjivaram, beautiful variety. The price of this is 14,500. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next one is also the same price, 14,500. Beautiful saree. It's a lovely parrot green. It has a beautiful peach border. The border is very traditional and rich, very true to Kanjivaram style of weaving. Okay, beautiful saree. And again, this saree also has Meenakari on its butta. Can you see? Okay, and it has alternate Meenakari. So the first butta that I showed you had yellow. This one has a nice Rani pink, deep pink kind of a highlight. Beautiful saree. This is the pallu, and this one comes with a contrast blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. So the next one is a deep green. It's a deep shade of green, bottle green as some may call it. A beautiful saree. The combination, the color of the border is a rust color. It's a brick brown kind of a color. This is the blouse, contrast blouse. Okay, just come a little close. This is how the borders look. It has a very beautiful intricate butta. Ha color meet this one ekda light banda karundi. Nahi hai garas. Okay. So this is the saree. Black nahi na वाटत है. So it's a proper bottle green color. It's definitely not black. I'm just trying to show you in different colors, different lighting. Okay, so this is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this is 12,800. So the price range of today's sarees is 11,000, roughly 11,000 to 14,500. That's the price range. Okay, this is the next one. Price. Okay. A very beautiful saree. So this one I have to come close and show you all. It has different panels of butta. Okay, this side other. Okay, it has beautiful panels. It has small butta as well as this beautiful intricate motif. Okay, it has silver and golden in its butta. Very beautiful saree. This color is a peachish pink color. Peach pink is what I think we can call it. Beautiful border, classic traditional Kanjivaram border. This is the pallu. Okay, and of course it comes with a same color blouse. This is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. This one is again 14,800. 14,500, na? Sorry, 14,500. Please WhatsApp us the screenshot so that we can confirm prices of these sarees. Okay. Let's move to the next one. 11? 11. Okay. This one is 11,000. Beautiful ink blue. Very pretty color. It's towards royal blue. More like a ink blue though. Very pretty combination. This one is 11,000. I just want to tell you all about this saree. The silk is very good quality, pure silk. Border and pallu is handloom. Okay, the butta of this saree is powerloom. I'm just going to show you the inner side of this butta. If you see, there are threads cut around the butta. So this is what usually this is the difference when you see handloom and powerloom, but not true to all handloom powerloom sarees, but definitely for Kanjivaram. So this particular saree, the butta is powerloom, made on powerloom. Okay, I'll just show you. It's a very intricate butta. The quality of silk is extremely good. You don't have to worry at all. And the border and pallu weaving is handloom. Okay, so this is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. This there. And I just want to show you one thing. The blouse is of the color of this border, which is a purple wine kind of color. Okay, so it's a very beautiful close contrast that you see. So this is the saree. Please take a screenshot. Let's move to the next one. The next is 11. So the next one is a lovely orange, peach orange kind of a color, but yeah, I think this comes very much under orange, and it has a beautiful yellow border, yellow end towards the border. Yeah, again this butta is powerloom. I'm just going to show you the butta. Beautiful, intricate butta. This is how the borders will look together. Okay, and this is the grand pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next one is a parrot green. Once again, a very pretty combination. This is parrot green and peach. If you see, when I'm handling the sarees, you will understand how rich the fabric is. The fabric is really rich. It is very pretty. It looks very rich. It's not, it is pure silk. It doesn't have any silk, synthetic threads mixed. So a very pretty saree, very richly woven saree. Okay, has a beautiful peach, yellowish peach colored border. This is the yellow peach dupchao kind of a blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the last saree of this video. The last one is a beautiful black. This is one of my favorite sarees from this combination, from this collection. I'm just going to come close and show you all the butta. If you see, the butta has golden and silver zari both. Sagde dista hai? Okay, it's a very, very beautifully woven saree. I'm just going to come close and show you the motif. Very beautifully woven saree. This is how it looks. This is the beautiful pallu. It has a very rich rust orange brown kind of a blouse. Beautiful combination. You won't see this combination very often. This saree is 14,500. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So this was our new, extremely new, fresh from the looms Kanjivaram collection. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I'm coming up with one more video today about a very new collection. So let's stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you.